Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add bio on Bigo Live. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Bigo Live application. Now go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Again, click on the edit icon in the top right corner. Here, scroll down your screen and tap on bio option. Now in the text box, type in something to describe yourself. After you're done, tap on submit option. And that is how you can add bio on Bigo Live application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.